Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. We're down here, it's airshow day. I won't be filming the airshow because I get really anxious around crowds, but I'm going to have a look at the village and let you know what's on there. So it's on today and tomorrow if you fancy coming down. Yeah, it's normally a good place. I mean, they've got like a Canberra airboat. I kind of wanted to see, but I don't know if my anxiety will let me. So I will walk around and I'll walk around and show you, let you see what's going on around here today. Here you go guys, this is the airshow village. It pops up every year before the airshow. I suspect they're playing music. I'll probably end up getting copyrighted on, but here we go. Now we've got Army. Just gonna pop my phone in there. Oh, it's that Batik thing, yeah. Excuse me please guys. Thank you. I'll get a view of this, I'm not going to do it. Yeah, not a chance am I waiting for that. You get to try on all the uniform? Nah, not for me. That's what you got here. That's all bombs and stuff. Not waiting around, sorry. I guess all these different army corps and stuff are, no. Oh, military police, cool. Tram coming past. Oh, cool. That gun was water cooled. There you go, I guess it's how they like hide up, I don't know. More guns. Oh cool. There you go guys. That's a 24-hour ration pack. What the heck is that?
One hand here, one hand here. You quite literally press the big red button.
Oh wow.
This one's already fired. It fires 600 meters per second. Well,
that's there as well.
And that's really, it's a very simple. That's around now. It's very light as well.
What's the kickback on that when that fires?
Relatively not too bad.
Oh, it's not too bad then. Just had a hold of that big handheld mortar. That was cool. Very cool. I asked the bloke if he'd fired it. He said, yeah. Lucky bugger, eh? I don't know if this is recruitment. Oh, staying away from that, eh? Jesus. Oh, this is quite cool, the red arrows. Have they got them cool ducks in here again? I love the little red arrow ducks. I wonder how much they are. I've got one of those little teddy bears there. They're cool. Oh wow, okay. Comedy carpet. All these people, I can't help but thinking it's cool to get on the flight line, but further back you can get the better. I think you get a better view personally. But yeah. If I could sit right in the middle here with nobody beside me, I'd be happy, but yeah, that's not gonna happen. It's nice there's so many people here. It really is. And I just hope they have a peaceful afternoon, if you know what I mean. Whew. Right. You've got Royal Air Force. Oh, look at that. That is cool. That is incredibly cool. I know I'm going to get nowhere near it, but look at that. Hawker T4, I believe. I believe that's a Hawker T4. That's cool. Let's see if we can get around the front. That is incredibly cool. Oh wow, that's a queue. That is incredibly cool. Yeah, that's incredibly cool. I like that a lot. It's so nice to get this close to an airplane. Wow, okay. Right, I think you can meet some of the pilots here. Oh, look at that, that's cool. I guess you can meet some of the pilots, maybe. There's just food stalls down there. Yeah, I'm not going there, I'm going back. It's awesome for the local economy, the amount of people that are here.
I'll talk you a lot more about that later on.
Oh, they're too loud, sorry. They're way too loud. Right, I think I'm about done here, if I'm honest with you. And I'll show you why. Right, I'm sensible. Because I go through the town now and there'll be hardly anyone in town. And I'm up for that. So I reiterate, let's hope for a peaceful afternoon, a peaceful evening. Hey. Oh God. Gonna have a look up here. And try and find Charles. Life on the Ocean Wave is about here somewhere. I've got to come and show you this. They've even got their own tower here. That is so cool. Oh, yeah. There's too many people here for me. I'm going to get going in a minute. I don't think people understand when you've got anxiety. It's lovely, but yeah, far too many people for me. I've got to show you this though. They got their own air flight tower, if that's what you call it. I don't bloody know. Hang on, I've got to show you. Look at that, guys, that's well funny. I guess it's where they're doing the commentary from. I don't know, that's quite funny. Programs and stuff there. Gonna have a look, hang on. Well, there you go, that's this year's village. Oh, I've just seen someone I want to introduce you to. Babe!
What's up?
Here you go.
Hello.
This reprobate, biggest
subscribe,
reprobate
Life on the Ocean Wave, Blackpool Bell.
Wow, there's a lot of people here, isn't there?
There is, yeah, loads.
I'm not being funny. I'll leave it one to you because I'm going home in a minute.
Well, I don't blame you.
There we go, right. Well, this is the air village. And yeah, I'm going to go through town and show you why I think I've got this right. Because there's going to be hardly anyone about. I'll have a quick walk through town on the way home. Well, there you go, guys. That is the air show village. You know, it's chaos. And it's chaos. I mean, it's nice for the local economy, but yeah. I'm going to go back through town and I'm going home. Because it's too much for me. There you go, guys. I wrongly assumed that the town would be empty because everyone's on the prom. It's rammed. Yeah, well, I've had enough of that. I'm going home. Anything in there? No. I've had enough of this. I'm going home. Give me a sec. Well, it's a lovely sunny day. Plenty of people about, so yeah. Going to be a good afternoon for the air show, hopefully, but I'm not being funny. I'm off home. I've had enough. Grab myself something for my dinner. I'm going home. I'll end this what I normally do. Stay safe and have a good day. Goodbye.